In this video, we take a look at the business partner transaction and how to create an employee in this context. To open the business partner transaction, enter BP in the transaction bar. The transaction then opens to create a new business partner. You have the option to create a person, an organization, or a group. To create an employee, click the Person button in the header bar. In the next step, the corresponding grouping can be selected, in this case, Internal Number Assignment. A business partner role is also defined. Start with the general business partner role and complete all mandatory fields, such as the surname. Additional information on the name and address can also be entered. Under the Identification section, you have the option of entering personal characteristics. In addition, the business partner type can be selected under Control. In this case, it is an employee. There is also the option to enter the bank details for future salary payments under the Payment Transactions section. As soon as all relevant information has been entered, change the business partner role from General Business Partner to Loans Administrator. It is then important to save the data. Now enter all the required information again. Start with the mandatory fields. All information can then be viewed in the address overview. It is also possible to enter the monthly net income and the annual income in the relevant currency under the Employment Data section. Once all the information has been entered and maintained correctly, it is necessary to assign a relationship. To do this, click on the Relationship button in the header bar. You can now select the appropriate relationship type. In this case, for example, it could be is employee of. Now select the relationship to business partner. You can also specify the period for which the relationship is valid. Save the data to successfully save the relationship and the business partner.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.